When you install MAMP, Apache and MySQL are installed with custom ports. You can find out what the current ports are by going to the Start page. If you look at the web address that's used to open the Start page, you'll read the port number 8888. That's what Apache is listening on. Down below in the MySQL section of the home page, you'll see the port being used by MySQL defaults to 8889. These are non-standard, and in fact, if you're going to try working with certain products, such as Dreamweaver, they're not going to work. So before you continue with your development work, you should change the ports back to the standards of port 80 for Apache and port 3306 for MySQL. Here's how you do it. Go to the MAMP application and click Preferences. In the Preferences dialog, click Ports. Click the button labeled Set the default Apache and MySQL ports. You'll see Apache changes to 80 and MySQL to 3306. Click OK. Both Apache and MySQL will restart, and you might be prompted for your administrator password. Go ahead and type that in. Then watch the indicators to see whether the servers are starting up correctly. They should be set to green, just like these are. Once the servers have started, open the Start page again. This time, you should see that the Apache server is listening on the standard port 80, indicated by localhost, without a port number, and MySQL should be listening on port 3306. Once you change to the standard port for Apache and MySQL, you'll be able to work with your MAMP installation. If you have any troubles changing ports, try this. Go to the Preferences and click Reset MAMP Ports, and click OK. That will cause the servers to restart using the custom ports that MAMP set up. Then go back to the Preferences again, and once again set the default Apache and MySQL ports, just like we started. You sometimes have to help MAMP a little bit just to get it to keep the proper settings. Once again, you can always confirm that the servers are using the correct settings by going to the Start page and looking at the web address and the MySQL configuration.